Hi, this is Meridith Elliott Powell, and I want to invite you to join me at the Leadership Conference 2019. This is one event you are not going to want to miss because we are going to be talking about, not only talking about, but solving the biggest challenges you're facing in leadership today. The theme this year is Leadership Redefined, leading in the 21st century, and we're going to tackle it all. What do you really need to do to not only get the best and the brightest to beat a path to your door, but what you need to do to get them as engaged and excited as you are about the growth of your organization. And I am really excited to be leading with my keynote, Leadership Redefined, Ownership Engagement Results. Listen, the workshops, the programs, the entire event is going to be just fantastic. But you are never going to know unless you sign up now. So join us on October the 7th in Athens, Greece for a really life-changing leadership conference. This is time for you to invest in yourself to truly take your employees and your business to the very next level. So sign up now, and I'll see you on October the 7th.